Hey, what's going on YouTube? We go with the MR Auto Detail. Making the last video for Project Impala. I finally completed the project. Got her shining, looking good. And I'm actually going to be honest with you guys, I'm very impressed with the results I got, especially using turtle wax compound and the wires 3-in-1. So I did the hood with turtle wax, but like I said, I ran out of time, so I ended up cutting a corner and then just going with the 3-in-1 from the wires. And this thing is shining and it's glossy. Paint jobs actually has been prepped correctly. I did the clay bar, so everything on this car is very smooth. There's a few scratches here and there that there's nothing that I can do about. Wheels are done, tires are done, glass definitely done. I still have a few watermarks here and there. Not sure if you guys can see them. They're all around this area here. So obviously I'm going to be maintaining the vehicle, and I'm going to be washing it again, and definitely want to work those out so I can get all those water spots out of there. Also the pillars, I brought those back to life. I had like 3 different shades of black in there. Unfortunately, these seals are bad. They're bad. They were never taken care of. The sun got to them. So the only thing that I'm going to continue trying to do is just adding 303 to this and trying to get this thing to revived, or at least to make it a little bit more glossy. Everything's on point though. Interior's on point. There you guys go. You guys can definitely check out the carpet and the floor mats. I mean, these things were bad. Passenger seat. This seat is actually was the worst seat of all. I have no idea whoever sat on this to just spilled everything. They didn't care about cleaning after themselves. So there was a lot of dirt, a lot of stains. Especially here in the this part of the seat. It was hard to see the stains, but once you start working it, man, you'll start to see some of the dirt that actually lifts up, especially from the upholstery cleaner. You're starting to see all that dirt. So you definitely, that it was hiding it very well, was disguising it very well. But I'm happy with it. There's the back seat. I had that other stain back there from yesterday. I ended up going at it again after I finished the video. I wasn't happy with it, so I ended up going over it again and getting that stain out of there. So no more stain. All the seats are completely redone. Every single seat has been touched and cleaned. The whole interior has been redone, completely detailed to make this thing presentable. So that way I can definitely put it up for sale and people to get buyers to come out and look at the vehicle and not complain about anything or try to find any kind of flaws in it to try to negotiate the price down. Everything has been completely detailed. There's a few spots that I missed. I'm gonna grab the vacuum that up. And that's the next project that I'm going to be working on. As soon as I have a time off, which I believe will be Monday or Tuesday, I'm going to try to get that thing peeled off. Get rid of that old tint. Makes the window look ugly. And it actually makes it hard to see when you're driving. But yeah, you can definitely see how clear those windows are. They were horrible, especially with the all the watermarks or the water stains. There's still some here. There's a few here and there. Like I said, I'm definitely gonna work those out. But everything else is on point. Said the paint's glossy now. Looks good. I just saw a spot that I missed. Hang on real quick, let me get that buffed out. Definitely happy with the results. I can't complain. And especially the time that it took me to actually get this thing done, there's nothing for me to complain about. Nice, glossy, shine, and slick. That's what I like about this thing. Another thing that I ended up doing was polishing up the tail lights. The tail lights got polished up as well to give it that extra pop, give it that extra nice shine to it, so it shines with the rest of the car. And actually, it makes it look almost brand new. So when people actually come to take a look at it, there's a lot of things that's always to look for are for the tail lights and the headlights to see how bad they are. Real car people, actually, that's the first thing to look for. Most people won't, but me myself, that's the first thing that I look for are the trims, the plastics, the headlights, and the tail lights, so that way I know exactly how good the car has been maintained or well taken care of. So other than that, I mean, I'm happy with the results. I can't complain. I can't. There's really nothing else that I would change about this thing. This thing came out great. Came out good. Like I said, it's glossy, it's shiny, and it's nice and slick. So that's it. Yeah, definitely see this thing shine. I like it. I'm happy. Alright, YouTubers, once again, Miguel with MR Auto Detail. If you haven't subscribed, what are you guys waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm going to have more projects that I want to be working on, and I'm going to be working on with more chemicals, you know, stuff that's out there. And I'm not going to go all crazy and buy all this expensive stuff, because I really don't believe in it. I mean, I'm getting great results with basic products. None of my clients have yet to complain. I've been detailing a few cars for the last, I don't know, 8-9 months now, and I have yet to have one person complain about anything that I've done. Everybody that I've actually detailed their cars for have been completely happy and satisfied, and as you guys can see why. So just a little bit of elbow grease and some time, and you guys can definitely get your rides looking this good. So this is for all the DIYers, not the professionals, because most professionals out there, they think they know it all, and all they do is just gonna talk crap and talk down to people. But it is what it is, guys. So you guys have seen it for your guys yourselves. You guys can't get better than that. Alright, guys, I appreciate the love, appreciate the support. If you have any comments or if you have any questions, once again, feel free to comment, get at me. And I'll be showing you guys a new trick that I've been doing for the last 3 weeks now, and that involves this bad boy. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll be posting another video soon, and we're gonna get it going. We're gonna get this this thing cracking. Alright, guys, appreciate it. I gotta get back and get ready because I gotta go to work. I gotta get out there and start detailing some other vehicles. So I'll check you guys out, man. Appreciate the love and the support. Later.